guys, welcome
Hi.
back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in. On this platform, I create content that relates to love, relationship, lifestyle, and yummy cooking videos. So if you're new, I want to welcome you once again. Today, we're going to be doing something entirely different. We're going to be tutoring you on how to make a simple closure wig with a sewing machine. And on my channel today, I'm inviting my sister over. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Adeola. I'm CEO Diglos Collections.
Okay, today Adeola will be tutoring you on how you can make a simple closure wig with a sewing machine. So guys, let's get started.
Hi, welcome back. So once again, we are going to be teaching you on how to DIY your your closure wig with a sewing machine. So let's start by showing the items we'll be needing. So we'll be needing a canvas edge, T-pin, a needle, a sewing thread, and a metallic marker. This marker, you can get it on Amazon store. It's available on Amazon store. You might not get it in your area, but it's very easy. You can just order it from Amazon. And these are the caps for the wigs, but I'll be showing you the difference with this cap. If you want to be making a wig for sale or it's for yourself, it is very important to know the types of caps that is best for you. So this is a dome cap. It comes with different parts. This is a dome cap. It's advisable only for those that aren't sewing, or like for needle and thread, not for a sewing machine. So this is a ventilated cap. This cap is the best for sewing machine. It's very easy to wear. It's light on the head and it's breathable. So this is a mesh cap as well. This is also good for hand sewing, but I don't advise for the sewing machine. So today we'll be making a 28 inches body waves. It's a Beriran hair. We have it available in our store from 10 inches to 30 inches as well. So we'll be making with a 20 inches 4 pattern closure. 20 inches 4 pattern closure. So let's get started. Guys, we are about to get started. I said earlier I'll be using a ventilated cap because I'm using a sewing machine. So one key point you should know if you are using a canvas edge, the middle line, if your cap is well placed, the middle line will be together with one on the cap. So, our T-pin to make the cap flat. So the reason why I'm using the canvas edge for the closure is to make it easier for the beginners. I personally can sew my closure with the sewing machine, but if you are just learning this for now, like if you are a beginner on how to use a sewing machine, I would advise you get a canvas edge or any mannequin at all to firstly make sure you sew your closure on a mannequin, because if you are not perfect with the sewing machine, you can make you can make mistakes while using the sewing machine for the closure. So let's start with this. So this is a 4 pattern, as I've said. It's a 4x4 closure. 4x4. It's a 4x4 closure. There are different sizes of closures. There's 5x5. There's 2x6. So I'll be using a 4x4 now. So let's go. Sorry, I'm new to this. This is my first time. So you make sure the middle of your closure is at the middle of the cap and the mannequin, as I've said. You make it like this. So you just make your closure a little bit after the cap. You see, a little bit after the cap. So you will try to make your closure so flat. Try to make it flat as possible. You start from the middle part, then you then you go right back to the middle part as well, but back side. You try to make your closure as flat as possible. Please, sorry, to make it flat as possible. So you see this, you try to make it flat as possible. So just flat as well. Make it flat as possible. Okay. And do the other side as well. So, can I get a clip, please? So, as you can see, our closure is flatly placed. See the side, see the front, so you can never go wrong when you place your closure the right way. So let's start sewing. If you want to be sewing your wig with a sewing machine, I would recommend a brother sewing machine. It's a beginner friendly and it's very easy to operate. You can see it has 27 stitches, and I use brother machine DS700. So if you're using 3 bundles of hair, I would advise you first double your weft to reduce your time and to create space in your wig cap. So let's begin by doubling our weft first. So I'll be using a number 3 stitches. This is what I use to double my weft.
Hiya. Finishing. Hi guys, so this is the end product of how to do it yourself, how to do your simple closure wig using a sewing machine. So I'm just going to show you the hair. As you can see, this is the back view. This is the back view of the hair. You can see it now. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button below. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye bye.